Children, now come to live English activity. English is not something that you see only in your textbook and classroom. We use English for many purposes in our day-to-day life. Sometimes we have to fill in forms and application in English. I will show you one specimen of an application form for a library membership. Try to fill it on your own after I explain you. First, you have to write your name in block letters as it is mentioned. The order in which you should write your name is also mentioned. You have to write your surname first, then comes your first name, and in the end comes your father's name. For example, Patil Rohit Ganesh. On the second step, you have to fill class, division, roll number, date of birth, in date, month, year format, and gender, male or female. Then comes your address with PIN code. Next comes name of the guardian with address, phone number, and email ID. You are instructed to go through the rules and then sign the form with date and tick on the membership fees option. The remaining part is to be filled by the office. So children, hope you understood how to fill a form. Try to fill it on your own in your books. Ma'am, it was interesting. Children, can you frame some rules for the school library after discussing in the class? Yes, ma'am, we will try. Ma'am, rules for our school library will be: a register should be maintained for issuing and returning of books. Every child will get the book for 1 week. The books should be returned on time or else fine will be taken for late submission. A library monitor should be appointed who will take the children to the library. Strict discipline should be maintained when children visit the library. Books should be maintained properly. No writing on the books or tearing pages from the books. Well done!